Let x1 and x2 be discrete random variables defined on the same sample space S. In this video, I'm going to show that the mean of x1 plus x2 is equals to the mean of x1 plus the mean of x2. So that's what we want to show there. I'll start by looking at what we are given there. We have x1 and x2 are discrete random variables. If we have a discrete random variable, its mean is defined as the mean of x is equals to the summation from x equals to a up to b of x multiplied by p of x. And the range there for the x is from a to b, and the p of x here is the probability density function. So in our case here, we're having x1 plus x2. So in this formula here, where we have x, we put x1 plus x2, so that we have the mean of x1 plus x2 is equals to the summation from x equals to a up to b of x1 plus x2 multiplied by the probability density function p of x. We can multiply the x1 plus x2 by the p of x, so that we have the summation from x equals to a up to b of x1 multiplied by p of x plus x2 multiplied by p of x. Then by properties of summation there, we can separate these ones so that we have the summation of x1 multiplied by p of x plus the summation of x2 multiplied by p of x. We now go on and look at this part here and this part here. Compare them with the definition here. We see that this first part here is the mean of x1, and this one is the mean of x2. And this is by comparison with the definition of the mean of a discrete random variable. So we have the highlighted parts there. They give us the mean of x1 plus the mean of x2. So we have mean of x1 plus mean of x2, which is what we are required to show.